What do we have here? Oh, we've got puzzles. Let's put this one together. Now what? Oh, a letter. Let's put it here. Time to go to school. Rise and shine, Roomie. Let's get you ready.
But I'm hungry. What do we have there?
Let's take a look. How about this? Yummy, isn't it? Listen, how about your bathroom routine? Great. Toothbrush time. Let's freshen you up. Wash away that sleepiness.
The water's so nice.
I bet you'll love this mango soap. Hydration is a must. And you're good to go. But not before drying up. Let's pick you an outfit, shall we? Uh-huh. It's perfect. The boots, and don't forget the backpack. And finally, your makeup.
Wouldn't leave home without it.
A few swipes of the hairbrush. You're all set.
Yay, I'm ready for the day.
Have a great one, Roomie. The next puzzle. Wow, another letter? Where will it lead us? Oh, Roomie's got a date right after school. Let's get you ready.
I need something lit.
No worries, Roomie. We'll find the best outfit for you. How about this dress? Cute and pretty.
Love it.
Awesome. Now let's touch up your makeup. How about we go for a different hairstyle?
Perfect.
Hope you didn't forget about your new perfume? Here it is. Some light floral notes. Here's your bag. Good to go. Good luck. Next puzzle. Nice. Let's read this letter. Party time.
Yay! I want to wear something stunning.
Sure, but first, some very important business. Let's pick the most gorgeous outfit. Do you have anything in mind?
I was thinking this dress could work.
Whoa, you were right. It's gorgeous. How about we change your hairstyle, too?
Wow, it's peak.
I knew you'd love it. Grab a bite before you go. Uh-huh. Oh, your microphone. You'll want to sing. Have a great time, sweetie. And the last letter. Ah, work time.
I'm totally ready. Bye-bye, pretty dress. This outfit is way more comfy. A jacket, shorts, and my boots.
You gotta grab a munch, Roomie. How about some ramen, too? Here, I'll heat it up for you. That's what you need before fighting those demons. Perfect. Now are you ready? Here's your sword. So shiny. Good luck tonight.
Thanks.
You must be exhausted.
Today was intense. I just want to relax now.
Sure, just take off your battle outfit.
Ah, that's good.
I know something that's even better. Now, we'll just dry you off and brush your teeth. Here's your cozy pajamas. Ready to go to bed?
Not yet. I want to play some video games just for a bit.
That's it. It's really time to go to bed. It's been a long day. You're gonna sleep well. Nighty-night.
Susie, Sue, have you watched it?
K-pop Demon Hunters? Of course, Sammy.
Now I want to hunt demons too. We need a new craft. Stat. How was that? You came at a bad time? You want to get slime? Okay, I'll show you slime. Oh, yeah.
Oh, awesome. I'll help you sing, Sammy.
Do you think it's a good idea, Sue? Anyway, I am going to become a K-pop idol.
I think you'll do great, and I'll do my best with the craft. How about making a playbook where we can play with Roomie? You might even learn a thing or two about a true idol's life.
You're right, it'll help me a great deal. Because, you see, I feel kinda shy.
It's fine. Even the most popular idols can feel shy sometimes. Just be yourself and do your best.
You're totally right. I will do my best. I mean, at least I know how to dance. Hi, all my dear followers. Check out my new moves. Do you like them? I don't see it. Oh, I totally know my dances. They're gonna go viral.
Cool moves, Sammy. But what are we gonna do now?
How about Rumi herself and her hairstyles?
Great choice. We need a magic cut. Ta-da! Wow, so many.
I've got as many wigs. We have a lot in common. I can use them all when I become an idol.
You're gonna make an awesome artist, Sammy. So now what?
Let's go with these fantastic outfits. They're absolutely gorgeous. Gotta get myself such outfits.
You deal with that, and I'll just get to work.
Wait, Sue, gotta snap a couple pics for reference. Wow, idols have so much stuff. Clothes and a microphone. I need it. I gotta find a microphone for myself.
You can take mine if you want. Ouch! That was fast.
Sorry, no time to waste. I'm going to a rehearsal. I gotta pick the perfect song.
Well, while Sammy is busy, I'll keep crafting.
My name is Slime Sam, and here is my jam. Like and subscribe if you're feeling my vibe.
That was amazing, Sammy. The song's fire.
Sammy, you've got real talent. You'll make a great idol.
Thank you, Rumi. But I'm also an awesome crafter, and I've made a chest for you.
Wow, it's a very well done chest, and it's super useful.
Yeah, Sammy, I really need a chest. It'd be great, though, if it had a lid.
I'm reading your mind. Sue, could you help me, please?
It'll go right here.
Now I've got a perfect place to keep all my things. Thanks, guys. I've always wanted to have it.
Rumi, your wigs are next level. Could I sometimes borrow them for my shows, please?
Well, of course. Feel free to take anything you want.
Sammy, you do remember that Rumi and her friends fight demons too?
Yeah, that's not really my vibe. I try to never get into fights.
True. Rumi, will you help Sammy if a demon appears?
No worries. I know how to deal with them. I'll take care of Sammy and you, Sue. And you focus on crafting and singing.
Okay, the bed is ready. What's next on the list?
Well, we need a room where we can put this bed. Do you like this space?
It's super cozy. Let's use it as my bedroom.
Why not? I'll just cut it out real fast. Voila, it's done!
Could you make another chest for this room, too?
Already done! Here it is! Aren't I fast?
Great job, Sammy!
What are you gonna keep there, Rumi?
My most precious treasure, my wig.
Right, gotta be careful with them. Now, I'll just make the bed and it's done.
I feel sleepy just looking at it.
These doors are so cute. Here they go.
I've designed a few different outfits for you. Wanna check them out?
Wow, Sammy, thank you. They're so trendy.
They're truly very stylish. Let me just put them in the wardrobe real quick.
Sue, but how is Rumi going to see if those outfits fit?
Good question. I've got this mirror, especially for her. It'll look good in this corner, next to Rumi's makeup.
Of course. Makeup is basics. We can't be separated.
Yeah, that's fair. What are we doing next, Sue?
Next are the bathroom and the living room.
Something's missing. No bathtub? I have to save the day. Give me just 1 second and the problem is solved.
Aw, thank you. I love relaxing in a bathtub.
And it's done. You can check it out now.
Whoa! I love the design and all those cute details. Genius move.
I'll add something too. Toothbrush is a must. And the kitchen counter. almost forgot.
Well, I think this is a must.
Okay, I'll just put it here.
Sue, look what I found. Some pretty pictures, but why?
Oh, it's a secret, Sammy. Just wait and you'll see.
Stop, Sue! You're ruining such a pretty kitty!
Don't worry, it's gonna be totally fine. It's just part of our game.
Wow, that's so exciting! I can't wait to try this game.
You will, very soon.
Sue is crazy creative. I just know that this game's gonna be fun. Is it almost done, Sue?
Yep, even the cover's ready. Look, isn't it cool?
It really looks cool. If you think so too, guys, like this video and subscribe to the channel.
We're going to make many more cool crafts soon. Join us. Bye-bye.
It's Super Duper Clay, found only in the Super Duper Clay pits.
It's fantastic stuff. I can make anything with it.
Cuddle, cuddle, who wants a cuddle?
There's just one problem with it.
Let me guess, it's super sticky?
Super duper sticky.
It's the penguins! Something must have happened to them! Let's see if they need help!
What's that, Sir Kitty Cat? Oh, well, yes. I suppose you may kiss my paw. Sir Kitty Cat, let go!
Wow, look at that! By the horn of a unicorn, that ship is flying! Hurry! We have to rescue the penguins! Let's try to lasso the ship! There's nothing for it to stick onto!
We have something that's super duper sticky, right, Sir Kitty Cat?
Are you talking about my precious sculpting clay?
Please, Sir Kitty Cat, we need it.
You know I'm just a big softie for you, Princess. But not too much, okay? Finished!
Good work, Sir Kitty Cat. All right, penguins, abandon ship.
Now how am I supposed to get my clay back?
Do as you wish, but I don't think you can get it back.
Maybe if I pull hard enough. No! Why is water so wet?
I wonder how that ship got up there in the first place.
Let's find Ed the Wizard. Maybe he knows what can make a boat fly.
It's just so unfair. The boat could fly, but I can't?
You think that's bad? I had to use half of my clay to rescue those penguins. Help!
Huh?
Did you hear that? It sounded like Ed the Wizard.
It did indeed sound like me, since it was me who made that sound.
Ed, what are you doing up there?
I'm doing all I can not to come undone.
Did you drink a flying potion?
No, I have no notion of any potion. One moment I was walking along, and the next I'm up here. I'll surely fly up to the clouds if my wingless arms let go of this rooftop.
Don't worry, Ed. We'll help you. Sorry, Sir Kitty Cat, but we're going to need some more clay.
But it's mine.
Help!
Oh, all right.
Don't worry, Ed. We'll get you down. Just as soon as we figure out how you got up there in the first place. Good work, Sir Kitty Cat.
Problem handers are flying ballerinas? Now I've seen everything.
Something tells me those pandas might have something to do with all of this. Let's watch.
Okay, Bad Barry. It's my turn.
Look out! Hey! I can fly!
Oops. Bye-bye.
Bad Barry's involved? The twin princesses must be up to no good.
Lady Fiona, would you mind flying after that panda to see what he's doing?
Would I mind? I'd love to.
We'll meet you over at the twins' castle. They have some explaining to do. What did you find
grabbing all the clouds and blaming it on you.
Me? But why?
By order of Princess Billy, you're under arrest. All right, Cloud, join your prisoner friends. Princess Billy says so. Your royal perfectnesses, I caught the last cloud. You now have them all.
Well, it's about time. Now we can work on our dance without those annoying clouds getting in the way.
The clouds are pretty mad about it, but I did like you said and told them it's Princess Billy's fault.
Good, now go get ready for our photo shoot.
We're gonna have perfect tans for our holiday card picture this year.
I finally got here! What did I miss?
The twins had the pandas arrest all the clouds and blame it on Billy.
We have to free them.
But Princess, the clouds are really mad at you.
They're storm clouds now, and if they're freed, they're going to want revenge.
Then what do we do?
Let's just forget about the clouds and head home, where I can finally play with my clay.
No, we have to help the clouds. Sir Kitty Cat, you say you can make anything out of that clay, right?
Absolutely!
Can you make a statue of me?
Princess, I'd be most honored to.
Great! So here's my plan.
Okay, what's your favorite thing in the world?
Oh, Fiona let the clouds out. Ready?
Ready!
Ready!
Okay, let's go.
Okay, lean in this time.
Oh, what's this?
A statue of Billy? Ew! Well, it was fun while it lasted. It's too bad we had to give the wand back to Bad Berry. I could have flown all day.
Well, Ed certainly looked happy to get down.
Huh? What happened in here? Countess Elizabeth?
Hello, Your Majesty. I'm sorry I got stuck behind...
Couldn't keep your paws off me, could you?
Let's all go have a picnic outside. After all, there's not a cloud in the sky over here.
That's a lovely idea. We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. Taking all the games for yourselves is really selfish. But you can keep them. We're gonna make our own game.
Yeah, we'll make our own pieces and game board. It'll be the best game ever.
You know, any game is better with 4 players. We're sorry we were so selfish. Come on, let's play together.